to nanay.
And let's do it outside.
So, pipicture lang kami.
Today, Nana gave me this pretty bag.
From Sister Christina.
Because it was hers, now she gave it to me.
And it's perfect because
it's so cute.
and it's gonna be a hot day, so it's perfect for today.
And you know
What are we celebrating today, Nak?
we're celebrating Pancake Canada.
Mother's Day.
And I'm gonna sing. I will show you how to sing a Mother's Day gift.
Okay. Let's go na.
Oh, okay.
Kain muna kami.
Today, we try to improve our driving in 100 tiny ways.
Okay, show it. But first, greet Grandma muna. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Grandma.
Ready?
So, let's rock and rock, rock and rock, rock and rock.
Rock and roll. Ang greeting kay Grandma.
Bye. Okay, that's
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Happy
Love
Mother's
you.
Day po. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Turn right.
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. McDonald's?
Yeah. But we will eat here right now on the bone and broth. Is that okay?
Ano kaya ibig sabihin ng
Kain kami. Bone and broth. Kahit mainit.
Pilipino kami.
I never want to Hi. I love you.
Love you too.
Look at this. It's like a special surround.
It's pretty, baby. Ano, girl? Out.
Walang bone and broth.
Oh, which one?
Oh, we got a heart.
Make it fast. In the middle, ayun.
Sa fried rice with shrimp for this little one.
And I would always do a video for the play for my fried rice. Tatay, look at this.
Silly girl.
Look at Tatay.
Ang paborito niya, shrimp.
Is that like the
Shrimp. Ito naman order ni Tatay, beef stew.
Walang bone and broth.
Wala yung paborito niyang bone and broth. Yan naman, Micah, egg roll.
Can I see this for egg roll?
Where? There. Nanay got pa.
And Nana got the same thing.
Usual, ang bagal kumain. Tayo, nasa Big Five. Kala ko ba mamimili tayo para sa...
Ganda kasi ng kulay tsaka ng shirt.
Nanay.
Bilan kaya ako ni Mike ng pampapayat, kaya tayo nandito.
I forgot yours. But is it how is it?
Ano? Ano?
Ganda.
Heavy.
Before you try. Wow, stocking.
You're just
Can I say?
Nanay.
Ay, bibili na ni Mike yun. Be, bibili mo na yan. You have to place your heel here at the end. Like that. What's the size of your feet? Yan siya. So, that's your gift to me? Ha, anak? So, bumili kaming konting hinapay at yelo. Dahil may pupunta naman kami ngayon. Magpipiknik daw kami. Kasama ng mga Bianca, Ricardo, at Asalo. Ayan, nandito na kami. Dito na kami sa park. Ay, nag-isang na. Ano yan?
Roller skate.
Oh, talaga ba?
Oo.
Wala roller skate.
Ayun yung nabili bike. Oo.
Ay, kain na. So, ito yung park. Ang laki ng park. Merong parang lake doon. I think it's a man-made lake. Saka may stage. Ang ganda naman dito. Ano yata pangalan? Red Hill. Merong playground. Saan kayo punta? May Red Hill. Ano ba to? Playground.
Dala mo na lang natira, 4 yan.
Dito na kami sa park. Eating. Baby ko.
Isang bike na magamit eh. Kaso saan pa bibili ng gulong?
Gulong mismo rip.
Aww.
That was my original idea. Kaso, knowing your family, we're not gonna... Ayun naman.
Kaka-picture lang.
Ano yan, te? Ano yan? May gulong yung sapatos. Ganyan.
Ito nasa damo pero ha? Tapos paano ka, Pepe?
Pabuka kasi yung lakad para hindi ka mag-slide. Ano mo nga? Try mo yung sub-sub. Oh, yun.
At least hindi na ako patalik.
Go! Me. Yan, o see? You're actually doing good job. Hindi ka pa naman bababa, ang layo pa, ano pa yung baba, oh. Oh, 1, 2, V shape. Yan, good job. V-shape.
Okay na ako, be.
Anong okay? Hindi.
Uwian na. Yan, and that ends our Mother's Day. We're going home na.
No, we're not.
No, we're not.
Why am I here then? I'm supposed to be in my car.
We're going home to your house.
Oh.
Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Belly Mats.
Bye.
Hey.
So, hindi pa pala tapos. Kami ay kakain ulit. Kakain kami dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kakain kami dito sa Cheesecake Factory. Ayan. Maglakad muna kami. Yeah, they will text me when it's ready. Walking muna kami because 1 hour pa. I'm trying to hold it. Oh, we're eating na naman. And Micah. Ate Jada and Micah. Say Happy Mother's Day. Yay. Natupad na ang pangarap ko, guys. Makakain na ako ng carrot cake. You got a mustache.